Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope you are staying warm and off the streets if it's icy where you are. Wow, we are a quarter of the way done with the class. So I wanted to do a little video check-in with you this week and also introduce a new activity that we're going to do. We'll stay with our discussion forum and our quizzes just like all the other weeks. This week we'll have our first research activity due. I've posted a PowerPoint in this week's content. You can look through that and we'll be looking at the differences between scholarly and popular sources. For the activity, you'll be able to choose your own topic, so please feel free to choose something within child and adolescent development that really interests you, that might be something of interest later on in your career or your role working with children or adolescents. If you're stuck and you don't have any idea, feel free to send me a message. The research activity will be due on Sunday, February 18th at 11:59 p.m. I added a couple of days on to that, so that's a little deviation from our syllabus, and I've made that a change in writing under week 5 content area. Again, if you have any questions on any of the activities, if you have questions about the discussion forum or the quizzes, other questions about the course, feel free to send me a message. Hope you have a great week.